I wanted to do something festive but chic for tonight's holiday party, and I am obsessed with the way this makeup turned out. And I'm so excited to be partnering with Macy's to show you how I achieve this look using everything from Macy's. First product I'm gonna go in with is my Lancome Conti Dull Foundation. This is my holy grail foundation when I need my makeup to last all day long. My skin type is more on the oily side, and this is literally perfect. I don't need to powder throughout the day. Just lightly filling in my brows with this Anastasia Brow Wiz. I'm going to use the Benefit Brow Wiz. Lightly brush those through my brow hair. This is the Too Faced Bronzing and Sculpting Stick. Just adding it to all of the places that I would contour and bronze. Whenever I do a bold lip, I like to keep the blush more neutral. So I'm going to use Nude Sticks Nude Buff. This is one of my favorite blushes. I rediscovered my love for the NARS Creamy Pot Concealer. I'm just gonna put this underneath my eyes here, and then also use this as an eyeshadow primer. Now I'm just setting the under eyes with the Laura Mercier Translucent Setting Powder. This is the Tarte in Bloom palette. I'm just gonna start taking these neutral shades here, and I'm just gonna place this all in my crease. I'm thinking I want to keep the eyes matte, so I'm gonna take this shade here. I'm gonna pack that onto the inner corner. Now for liner, I'm going to add this Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Pencil. This is shade Demolition. It's like a dark matte brown. Lancome makes some of my all-time favorite mascaras, so I'm gonna go in with their mascara, and I'm really just gonna keep the eyes light. My bold lip is always the star of the show, and I have been dying to try this one from Kylie Cosmetics. This is Holly Berry. There's no better time to wear a deep red lip than around the holidays. Now I'm just going to go in with the liquid lip in the center. All right, guys, here is the final look. I'm obsessed. It's definitely glam, but it's still wearable. But let me know what you guys think.